Hello guys, today we are going to see how to create an Instagram post without templates. So let's get started. Now click on create new icon and click on Instagram post. And now you can close the templates tab. Click on backgrounds. Which background shall we select? Let's select this background and click on pin to background. Now click on text. Which style shall we select? Let's select this one. Drag it down here and right click on it and type happy birthday to you. If you want, you can add another text down here and give the name. Now drag this text here and type any name like Max. And now click on animations. We can give animations to either our text or our background. Let's give animation to our text. This animation is good, and that's it guys. You created your own Instagram post without templates. Let's meet in a new video with a new project. Bye guys.